Let's embroider knotted diamond stitch together. To embroider the stitch, mark 2 parallel lines, then start with a vertical stitch, joining the lines. Then start adding the knots. The first knot is made at the bottom of the stitch, and the second one at the top of the stitch. Tighten the knot and push the needle to the fabric. Get the needle back to the surface 1 stitch away and add a central knot. To make it easier to tighten the knot in the middle, push the needle in the fabric, tighten the knot around it and remove it. Now add 2 knots at the bottom and at the top of the stitch. From this point, the sequence of the stitching is repeated. If you embroider the knotted diamond stitch with a thinner thread, like a pearl cotton, you will see that the knots are less defined. I stitched the first band with 6 strands of embroidery floss, and here I'm using the pearl cotton number 5. On the back side of the fabric, the stitch will produce 2 lines. One will look like running stitch, and the second one will be simple dots.